all of you in the audience tonight, under 18, I have a message for you. The government doesn't trust you. They don't trust you to vote at 16 on matters that will affect you, your education, your future. At 16, you can already join the army, give consent, have a full-time job, even pay tax to the government, yet you're still not entrusted with the vote. You may be asking, why should I care about the vote? Well, voting gives you the power to influence important decisions that affect your life, like should we be paying university fees and how much we choose to focus on tackling climate change. Across the UK, some 16 and 17-year-olds can actually vote. In Scotland and Wales, they actually had equal to, in some cases higher than, voting turnouts than other age categories above them. So we live in the supposed United Kingdom, yet we don't have equality for 16-year-olds across the UK. We need to bring this. A famous example I'm sure you're all aware of, where not allowing 16 and 17-year-olds to vote has drastically impacted our future, is Brexit. You'll all be aware of the narrow result to leave the European Union, but what you may not be aware of is that surveys revealed that had 16 and 17-year-olds been given a chance to vote, the majority would have decided to remain, making results day look very different if we factor in the number of them living in the UK. Yet young people are the ones who have to live with the consequences for longer. The British Youth Council is currently striving forward in their campaigns to lower the voting age to 16. The government has to listen to them because it's time our voices are heard. Thank you for listening to me. I think it's worth fighting for the things we believe in.